What if tomorrow, Earth wasn't home anymore? What if, after centuries of dreaming, humanity finally packed up and left for Mars? Would we build a new world among the red dust, or watch our civilization crumble beneath an alien sky? Because here's the truth. Leaving Earth for Mars sounds heroic, but it could be the most dangerous gamble in human history. Picture this. The last ships are leaving Earth. The skies are quiet. Cities glow beneath a blue atmosphere we once took for granted. We're leaving behind everything: oceans, forests, the perfect balance of oxygen and warmth, to chase a dream across 140 million miles of freezing emptiness. It's not science fiction anymore. NASA, SpaceX, and China's CNSA are all working towards sending humans to Mars, maybe within our lifetime. But surviving there, that's another story. Mars looks beautiful from afar, a glowing red marble, ancient and mysterious. But step onto its surface, and you're standing in one of the most hostile places in the solar system. The air, 96% carbon dioxide. The temperature, a bone-freezing -63 degrees Celsius on average. And the air pressure is so low, your blood would literally start to boil without a spacesuit. There's no breathable air, no liquid water, no magnetic field to block deadly radiation. A single solar flare could fry a colony in minutes. So, how exactly do we plan to live there? First, we'd need to build entire cities underground or inside massive domes to shield ourselves from radiation and micrometeorites. Every breath would come from recycled oxygen, every drop of water from melted ice or filtered waste. Your shower would be 30 seconds long. Your food, grown from bacteria, fungi, and hydroponic plants. Every mistake, every leak could be fatal. Even communication with Earth takes up to 22 minutes each way, meaning if something goes wrong, no one's coming to save you. Some scientists believe we could terraform Mars, warm it up and make it breathable. But here's the catch. It might take thousands of years. We'd have to release greenhouse gases, melt polar ice caps, and create a thick enough atmosphere to trap heat. It's possible in theory, but not with our current technology. In the short term, Mars won't adapt to us. We'll have to adapt to it. Imagine babies born on Mars, growing up in lower gravity, taller, weaker, never knowing what a blue sky looks like. Would they even be considered human anymore, or something new? So why risk it? Because maybe we'll have no choice. Earth won't last forever. Climate change, overpopulation, and asteroid impacts are all real threats. Carl Sagan once said, "All civilizations become spacefaring or extinct." Mars might be our lifeboat, a second chance for humanity. But we'd be leaving behind the only paradise we've ever known. Think about it. We were born under blue skies, by oceans that breathe life, on a planet that seems designed for us. And yet, we dream of trading it all for a world of red dust and endless storms. Would we still call ourselves Earthlings? Or would we finally become Martians, the first generation to live beneath another sun? Maybe one day, a child on Mars will look up at the night sky and see a pale blue dot shining faintly in the distance, their parents' forgotten home.